Alright, Monday now, new week, Thanksgiving week. We're doing some brush hogging today. Not a whole lot. Just all this. And then across the street, it's a total of, I think, about 144 acres, which is that's a couple days worth of work, I think. At my current rate, I figured out. It's November, so it's a little chilly out. It's nice for the machines. Keep them running a little bit cooler. And oh man, it's already freaking swampy. Yeah, so that's what we got today. A lot of mowing hours. All right, so some people were asking about this trailer with the tilt deck, if I was having trouble getting up it. The short answer is kinda. Like on a day like today, it's dry. This thing goes up here no problem. So like I was saying, the short answer is sometimes, yes, it does slip, depending on what machine I have, what tracks I have on that machine, and how slippery the deck is. What I have found is if it's slick, I'm actually slipping on this tread plate. Sometimes I have to bring the deck down to get the machine up all the way. What I'm thinking I'm going to do, I don't want to weld on anything because I don't want to damage the powder coat. So I think what I'm going to do is take some flat stock, like a 2" by 1/4 inch, 2" wide, 1/4 inch thick, and screw that into the deck, and then run inch by inch steel bars across, just like I don't know, maybe 24 inches, right where the tracks would go on either side, and then run that all the way up to like here maybe, or the top of this. That would give me enough traction because I'm not really going and using this whole deck. So I think I might just do that over the winter, make it a little bit more grip, because like I said, I'm slipping here. I looked into that black wood, which is the rubber infused, but a lot of guys said the track machine's going to ruin it right away, so it's a big turn off. So like I said, I don't want to weld on this powder coat because it's going to damage it, and I won't be able to fix it the way it was. So yep, that's what I got now. Let's get this thing unloaded. All right, Tuesday now, back on this job, brush hogging away. It's about 30 degrees today, but somehow it feels so much more comfortable than it did yesterday. Yesterday was brutal. The wind out here was whipping, and it really made you really cold. So getting fired up this morning. I got my cup of Timmy. Where's the name on this thing? And we're gonna be getting the old machines fired up again and getting after it with this brush hogging. The sun's shining, clear blue skies, beautiful out today. And yeah, so we're gonna fire up and get after it. Well, I'd say this thing's pretty muddy. I just cleaned this side out. The freezing temperatures here, I'm worried these things are gonna freeze overnight and then I can't move them. Look at all that. The mud does not shed out of these things as well as it could. This one's not too bad, but I went through all the ditches. This guy was just skimping out on the ditches. I was behind with this thing. But yeah, we're shutting down for the day. We got that side. All that there. You can see the road. It goes all the way down yonder. We got that side done. We still got a little bit more over there on the way far back, but we've opted to move across the street and get started on this side. So that's tomorrow's project. Like I said, shutting down for the day, cleaning tracks, greasing, all fueled up, ready to go for the morning, and we'll get after it again. All right, it's Wednesday, November 24th. Look who we got here. The buddy Dan is back and ready for action today. He's gonna be heading over to that strip club right over there. He's looking forward to it. No comment from the guy. Fired up! Wow, what a view. That right there screams America, ladies and gentlemen. I've never seen one of them before in person. Airport's right there. This is a bald eagle. You never see them things around here. This is the first time I've ever seen one. Like I said, that's incredible. Feeling very patriotic right now. All right, wrapping up today with the old track clean out. Supposed to get some snow tomorrow, they say. And we won't be back because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So, chances of this stuff freezing again. It's gonna be bad. Look at this one. Holy smokes. Greasy old man. Alright, gearing up today on Friday. Loading up the excavator in the snow. It's freezing. Mowing crew heading out for a cleanup. Woo! It's a bit nipply out here today. But yeah, we're doing some leaf cleanup here on Black Friday. And we're gonna be putting some drainage in the new building over there. Getting ready for concrete next week. So, busy day, cold day. Let's get after it. All right, well, we're on the job now. Holy smokes. This camera is not picking up the snow like it is. None of this was here not long ago. Just a little bit of snow, which isn't much, but I can't even open my eyes because I'm getting covered with so much snow. Oh, that's a lake right there. You can't really tell. Toronto, just across the lake there. You can normally see it, but not today. It's coming down though, pretty good. Like I said, the camera just ain't picking it up. All right, wrapping up Black Friday here. Did some work inside today. See the floor drains in. And we also did a trench in here, put some conduit underground. Some different piping pops out over there to run electrical and some water underground over there for when we're ready for that. But the floor drains in, all plumbed up, ready to go. Elevation set, so the next thing, be getting this stone base set for the concrete. We get open up a hole in the wall here. So we can make sure this new elevation and that old concrete meets. And yeah, got the lift here. This is where the lift's gonna go. Post there. And yeah, going from there. Garage doors are on. That was the latest update I missed this week. 2 garage doors are up. Man doors sitting in the box there, ready to be slammed up. So things are coming along now. All right, Sunday, November 28th. Look at all this white stuff on the, well, not on the ground yet, on the pavement, but they're saying 3 to 4 inches tonight. And we don't have any plows hooked up because, well, we haven't needed them hooked up. We did hook some of them up and test them, and we found some problems, which we haven't even had time to fix. So today we're just going to wing it and hope to God that stuff works out all right. 5 plows. 1 salter to put on. I'm going to try to get that done right now on Sunday. Just in the off chance that we do need it tomorrow morning, we'll be somewhat prepared. So, it's just about as good as it's going to get, I guess.